Hi, Jeff at Joker Machine. What we have here is how Indian mounts their foot pegs. Not the best of systems. Got a lot of play in it. Pretty rattly. A lot of movement. So what we've done here at Joker is come up with a little bit better system. Put a spring washer in this relieved area here. Sits in there. Puts a bit of tension on the peg, takes all the slop out of it. Definitely a big improvement over the OEM setup. Pretty simple. Put the washer in place, it won't come out. Take the peg, push it into its location, make sure it lines up. You gotta get it lined up. A lot of times it's good if you use some sort of device to do that. Take the stock pin, which we will be providing you a snap ring to go on here. Put it back in, put the snap ring on the other side, and as you can see, there's no more movement in this peg. This is a lot more rigid mounting system, stays up a bit better. Everything about it's just nicer. Also, you can adjust the pitch on these pegs if you want to. We'll show you that in another video. So this is the Indian peg mounted on the front here. The OEM pins in it, as you can see, a little bit nicer. Does not wobble around. Just a much tighter situation here. More comfortable. Definitely improvement over stock.